Okay, we have a Kitamura My Center HX1000i. Built in 2011, it was installed new in 2012. It's fourth axis, full fourth axis, coolant through spindle, probing, 150 ATC, and it's wired to accept a fifth axis on the fourth axis pallets. They're 1,000 millimeter pallets, or 39.37 by 39.37, 80-inch X, 51.97, or almost 52-inch in the Y, and 53.94 inches in the Z. 8,000 RPM spindle, 50 taper BT, 4-step gear driven, again 150 ATC. We're going to walk over here, see the inside of the machine. We're going to do a second video, show you the machine running. This is the walk around video. That's your control, which again is a Fanuc 16 IMB. That's your inside where the machining is done, your spindle, your other pallet. It's a box weigh machine. Machine also has probing. Those are the manuals, a couple of samples of tool holders. We have many more tool holders that go with it. Let's open the doors of the cabinet, inside the cabinet. That is your high pressure coolant. That's the inside of your electrical cabinet, all Fanuc components. Going around back, you're going to have your chip conveyor. High pressure. The Cooljet high pressure, which we showed you a moment ago. You have your regular coolant. Refrigeration stuff. Now we're going to go inside to building number 2 here, as we nicknamed it. That's your 150 tool changer. Okay, serial number 49013. Maybe we should just start running. We're going to run it for you right now. All right, we're rolling at 500 RPM in the low range. Thousand RPM. Oh, our air compressor just kicked in. Spindle brake, shift. Higher RPM, 2,000 RPM. Again, we go up to 8. $4,000 RPM. That's your X. Your Y. Z. And your B. And again, that's a full B. If you look at the control, you can see it's how many decimal points over. Tool change, or simulating a tool change. Okay. I think we're good. Again, you can see you have on the control, they have room for an A axis. And that's it. Thank you for watching our video.